Do you know that around 30 to 40% of all organic waste goes to landfill? Hi, I'm Melinda. I'm a marine teacher and a CoralWatch Ambassador. Today I'm going to show you how you can save the reefs from home by simply composting. When organic matter breaks down, it rots and produces methane gas and carbon dioxide. These are greenhouse gases that contribute to global warming and climate change. The ocean is like a big carbon sink, and it also absorbs a lot of the heat and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This warms our oceans and causes coral bleaching, but also increases the acidity of the ocean acidification, and this is a problem that limits the growth of our reef building corals and organisms that have shells. By composting your organic waste, you can reduce these gases into the atmosphere and also help lock the carbon into the soil, which gives us other benefits like better soil structure and drainage. But it's also a good natural fertiliser for your garden, reducing the need for synthetic fertilisers. So there are a lot of compost bins available depending on your needs. Today I'll show you how you can make your own simple compost, particularly if you're restricted in space in your garden, and you can use an old bin or bucket or anything else that you may have at home. So I have a builder's bucket here, which I've cut the bottom of, and I've drilled some rather large drainage holes, and that's to allow the worms to be able to get in and get into your compost bin. I've also drilled some smaller ones up the top, and that's for aeration. So with your bin, you can bury it about a third of the way down, and that's to stop any vermin from digging in and getting to your compost. So as with any compost, large or small, it's a simple recipe, a 2-to-1 ratio of brown organics to green. So that's carbon to nitrogen. So as a rule of thumb, anything that was once living, you can use in your compost heap, but we generally omit any meats or cheeses, okay? That's just to deter any vermin from your garden. So to start off with, I always like to place some sticks at the bottom, and that helps with good aeration. Then you can add some shredded newspaper on top, and even some egg cartons that you can rip up if you've got some at home. And then you can add a layer of green waste. So you repeat that carbon and nitrogen layers until you've got to just about 3/4 of the way full. So make sure you put your lid on and keep your bucket in a nice hot sunny spot. This will help get those microbes working and break down your compost. So that's how you can help save the reefs from home.